Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro. Ooh, that's a nice device, isn't it? Yes, it is, as you can see. We have a lot of new stuff there. This is the first iPhone built for Apple Intelligence. Personal, private, and powerful at the same time, and so fast and so fluid. We get well a feeling for the all-new camera control. A 4K 120 frames per second Dolby Vision for studio quality mics, and a Pro Studio in our pocket is possible. And the thinnest borders yet for even larger display, brilliant. An all-new A18 Pro chip powers unrivaled intelligence and unprecedented performance and huge Leben battery life. That means we can make game on. Oh yeah. We have a lot of 4 cool colors plus the black one. Yeah, that's cool. 6.3 inches. Strength, beauty, and titanium. The iPhone 16 Pro features a grade 5 titanium design with a new refined microblasted finish. Titanium has one of the highest strength to weight ratios of any metal, thus making these models incredibly strong and impressively light. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in 4 stunning colors, including the new Desert Titanium, and internal design improvements, including a 100% recycled aluminum thermal substructure and a backglass optimization that further dissipate the heat. Enable up to 20% better sustained performance than the iPhone 15 Pro. So we can do all the things we love, like high-intensity gaming for longer. It has a larger iPhone display, the thinnest border on any Apple product, and the premium 5-grade titanium. That's an exceptionally durable. And for striking colors from black to titanium to new desert titanium. New display technology allows us to route the display's data under active pixels with no distorting, resulting in thinner border for a large 6.3-inch and a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display that feel great in the hand. And the iPhone 16 Pro is splash water and dust resistant. It also has a latest generation ceramic shield material that's 2 times touchier than any smartphone glass out there. This talk about durable. Yes. And Apple Intelligence, the AI opening possibilities comes this fall. The iPhone 16 Pro is built for the Apple Intelligence, the personal intelligence system that helps us to write, express ourselves, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protection, it gives us a peace of mind that no one else can access to our data, not even Apple. And we boost our productivity with a lot of tools. For example, the writing tool. It can proofread our text and rewrite different versions of it. We just hit the record in the notes or the phone app to capture audio recording and transcripts. The Apple Intelligence generates summaries of our transcripts, so we can get the most important info on a glance. And priority message in mail. This elevates time-sensitive messages to the top for our inbox, like an invitation that has a deadline today or a check-in reminder for our flight this afternoon, for example. And we express our visibility. We create fun, original images that are truly personal to us. And a big bunch of a new area of Siri. With all new super power, Siri will be able to assist us like never before. And of course, richer language understanding. All the AI functions. Great power comes with a lot of stuff here. And we take total with the camera control. Now we can take the perfect photo or video in record time. The camera control gives us an easier way to quickly access the camera tools. We simply slide our fingers to adjust the camera function, like exposure or depth of field, and toggle through each lens or use the digital zoom to frame our shot just how we like it. And then the camera control introduces a two-stage shutter that lets us automatically lock the focus and exposure with all light press. So we can reframe our shot without losing the focus on our subject. And we have deeper camera control. We click to launch the camera app easy on that special button. And we click again to instantly take a photo. We can go and make this in video mode too to start recording. A light press opens the control like zoom. With a double light press, we can select another camera settings, then slide to adjust the settings itself. Cutting edge control. The camera control is a picture of innovation. On the surface, a sapphire crystal with a smooth texture is surrounded by a color-matched fine stainless steel trim. Inside, a high-precision force sensor with a haptic feedback emulates the feel of a DSLR camera shutter, while a new touch sensor, the first of its kind for Apple, recognizes the precision interaction like clicks and, of course, slides. And 4K 120 frames per second Dolby Vision Cinemasterful. Wow! The iPhone 16 Pro takes video capture to a whole new level with the 4K 120 FPS Dolby Vision. This is the highest resolution and frame rate combo yet. Enabled by the new 48 megapixel Fusion camera with second generation quad pixel sensor and the powerful A18 Pro chip. The iPhone 16 Pro lets us record a 4K 120 frames Dolby Vision in video mode or in slow motion. And now we can adjust the playback speed after capture in the redesigned photo app. This giving us a great editing capability to add the dreamy quality to our shot. We try out the new half-speed option, or for a cinematic effect, slow it right down to 24 frames playback like in the cinema. Highest quality video in a smartphone. The iPhone 16 Pro also provides a big leap in audio performance. With the studio quality mics for higher quality recording, they provide a lower noise floor, so we get more true to live sounds. New spatial audio captures makes our videos sound more immersive when listening with AirPods. And thanks to the wind noise reduction, the audio quality is even clearer. That means audio mix make our voice hard. Powered by the advanced, intelligent, and spectacular audio capture, the audio mix lets us adjust the way voice sounds in our videos using 3 different voice options. We want to decrease the background sound, or we just focus on the voice that are in frame. Simply select the mix and adjust the intensity to get the sound you want after the capture. For example, in frame only captures the voice of the people on camera, even if people off camera are talking during the recording. Studio option. This makes voice sounds like we are recording in a professional audio equipped with sound depending walls. Great for vloggers or podcasters because the recording will sound like the mic is close to a subject's mouth, even if it is a few feet away. And cinematic. It captures all of the voice around us and consolidates them toward the front of the screen, just like sound is formatted for the movies. And we can really make good shots on the iPhone 16 Pro. With the new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, Viva la Revolution, the iPhone 16 Pro adds a second 48 megapixel camera to the Pro camera system itself. The new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera has a more advanced quad pixel sensor for super high resolution, 48 megapixel Pro RAW and HEIF photos with autofocus, so we can capture a mesmerizing new level of detail in macro photos and sweeping wide-angle shots. More zoom, baby. Boom. Now we can shot in 120mm with the 5-time telephoto camera on both Pro models. And we get sharper close-ups from farther away with a multiple framing option. It's like having 7 Pro lenses in our pocket everywhere we go. And we choose our photographic style. We change it up, we change it back if we like. That means our latest generation of photographic styles gives us the greater creativity flexibility than ever before. So we can make every photo even more for us. And thanks to the advance in our image pipeline, we can now reverse any style anytime. We log in our look. They have created new styles that let us dial in our exact desired look with more advanced skin tone and rendering and set it across our photos. With the power of the A18 Pro, we can see the style applied in a live previews, like professional color grading in real time. And align with our aesthetics, the improved image pipeline also enables more creativity styles, which allows us to customize the different moods of a photo through the color. We make the most of the megapixel with that device here. We personalize every style even more with the new control pad, which makes it easy to adjust tone and color simultaneously. We can also use the slider to adjust the intensity of the specific color instead of applied a one-size-fits-all approach. This makes all possible the A18 Pro chip. That's the brains behind Apple Intelligence. A phenomenally powerful chip, the A18 Pro, enables the Apple Intelligence with a fast neural engine, an improved CPU and GPU, and a big jump in memory bandwidth. It also drives advanced video and photos featuring like camera control, and it delivers the best ever graphic performance for AAA gaming. We have new 16-core neural engine. This is faster and more efficient, supercharging Apple Intelligence. New 6-core GPU gives us an enhanced graphic performance. New 6-core CPU. This is the fastest in smartphone, runs complex workflows with less power, and 17% increase in total system memory bandwidth. The highest ever in iPhone for outstanding performance. That's gaming in a whole new light with a smartphone like the iPhone. Up to 4 more hours of battery life. That's cool. It gives us a huge leap in battery life. An optimized internal design fits larger batteries, which works together with the A18 Pro chip to deliver incredibly power-efficient performance, even with so many new capabilities. Snap on a new MagSafe charger for even faster wireless charging, up to 25 watt, with a 30 watt power adapter or higher. This enables up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes. That means up to 10 more hours video playback on iPhone 16 Pro, up to 16 more hours video playback on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And that's not only because of the monsters graphics and monster CPU and so on. It's possible with all the bunch of possibilities. And iOS 18 comes, customize, stylish, and mesmerize. We can personalize our home screen and. And of course, if there is no signal, there's a satellite for that. When we don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, the iPhone 16 Pro can connect to our satellite system, so we can stay in touch or get the assistance we need. That means messages via satellite. We let us send and receive messages and tap backs when we are off the grid. Right from the message app. Our iPhone will help us connect to a satellite so we can text over iMessage or SMS. Roadside assistance via satellite. We can get our help for things like a flat tire or a dead car battery. The iPhone will connect to our roadside assistance provides us and can dispatch help to our exact location, even if we are off the grid. And the iPhone also has vital safety features that can help save lives. If we try to call 911 for urgent help but don't have the cell service or the Wi-Fi, we can use the iPhone to text emergency service over satellite. And crash detection. It used the hardware sensor and the advanced motion algorithm to detect a several car crash, then call 911 and notify our emergency contacts when we can do that, even when we don't have the service. When we are within range and make 911 emergency calls, the iPhone 16 Pro gives us the option to start sharing a live feed with 911 responders for quick and effective assistance. That's designed to make better difference. With the iPhone 16 Pro, you are on the right side for healthy and for gaming and for video and for sound and. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. Hello Apple Intelligence with that device here.